right here, this is exercise 9b. The target is to find what is aim. Aim is to find constant of integration. Okay, so how to find constant of integration? We call this as BVP, boundary value problem. Means we are given some conditions. By using those conditions, we can find the value of constant. Example, Japan, exercise 9b. Let's try first question, E part. So first question, E part, page number 245. The question is, find the equation of the curve given d by dx. We are given derivative of a function y. dy dx is given as 2 by square root of x minus 1. This is given derivative. And this derivative or the gradient is at a point, and that point is P46. So the target is to find equation of the curve. Very simple. Now we are given this derivative, right? We are given derivative, right? And we have to find function as a target. Very simple. To remove this derivative operator symbol, we should go with antiderivative. That means integration. Integration means antiderivative. I can find this function y from this differential equation. From this derivative equation, I can find y only if I can cut off this ddx, differential operator. To cut off this ddf, I should go with antiderivative, which is integration. So, integrating both sides, I do like this, dy dx. I'm integrating this function, dy dx. So, integration means this symbol and then dx here, right? Integration on this side is 2 into x power minus half, right? Minus 1 dx. I just changed this curve into exponent and moved it up. Become x power minus half. Now see what happened? Basically, this derivative ddx will be cancelled with the integration because they are antiderivative. What is left now? Y, right? By using power rule, this coefficient will come out. By using power rule, what should be integral of x power minus half? Sorry, how? By using power rule, what should be integral of x power minus half? X power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1. Remember the power rule? The power rule was integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 over n plus 1, right? Plus constant of integration. Likewise, this is x power minus half plus 1 is half divided by half minus integration of 1 will be x because derivative of x is 1. That means integration of 1 should be x plus constant of integration. We are given point P46, right? So let's simplify further. It will be y is equal to, this is 2 by 1 by 2 is 4, right? X power half is root of x, 4 times root of x minus x plus c. That's okay? So we got the equation of curve, but this is general equation. Why general equation? We don't know this constant. Now we're going to use our BVP. On this curve, there is a point. What is that point? 4, 6. The 4, 6 point is on the curve. That means I can plug in x equal to 4 and y equal to 6 because this point is on the curve. Right? So this point is on that curve with equation this one. So this point should satisfy this equation. Plugging y equal to 6, x equal to 4. What should we see? 4 times to 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is? Is it okay? C is 2. So plugging back this one here in this equation, so we got equation of curve as y equals 4 root x minus x plus 2. So you can see it is equation, it is polynomial, there is no constant now. We started with the derivative equation called as differential equation. By taking antiderivative or integration, we got this equation. That equation has this constant of integration. We got the value of constant of integration by using this point which lies on this curve. That's the complete question, guys. Any doubt in this question? You can ask me right now. It's a very good example how we can find constant of integration. Is that clear, guys? Is that okay? No, okay?